Hi everyone and welcome to the next Crimean Tatar lesson. Today we are gonna learn numbers. Rahamlar. So let's get started. So first let's learn new words. Rahamlar, sayı, miktar sayısı, sıra sayısı. Let's repeat one more time. Rahamlar, sayı, miktar sayısı, sıra sayısı. So now we are gonna count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then if you want to say 11, you should just take 10, which is on, and add 1, which is bir. And we get on bir, then 12. On 2, we took again 10, which is on, and 2. On 2. Then if you want to say 13, it's gonna be on uch, and so on. So now let's count from 20 to 100. Yigirma. Also, very often we just say yigirm instead of yigirma. We write yigirmi but say yigirm. Otuz, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Also, if you would like to say 21, you should just say yigirma and 1. Yigirma bir. 22, yigirma iki, and so on. So next we are gonna count from 200 to 1000. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. And now we are gonna exercise a bit with numbers. How to say 127. So first we take 100, which is use. Then we take 20, which is yigirma. And then we take 7, which is yedi. Use yigirma yedi. Next one, 245. First we took 200, then 40, and then 5. 245. Next one, 3450. 3450. The same goes here. First we took 3000, then 400, 400, and then 50. And then I would like you to write by yourself the numbers you see here. It's like 27, 258, 5780. So I would like you to write in the comments below in Crimean Tatar these numbers. Still, we should learn sıra sayısı. So how would we say first? Birinci, ikinci, üçüncü, dördüncü, beşinci, altıncı, yedinci, sekizinci, dokuzuncu, onuncu. And then if you would like to say 11th, you again take just 10 and add birinci. The same goes for 12. 12th. On ikinci, and the same goes for 13th, on üçüncü. So these ones you would need to remember. That's it for today. Hope you like the lesson. If you have any questions, please comment in the comments below. I would try to reply to all of you. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon. Kuruşkinci!